What is vitamin D? Vitamin D is a fat-soluble hormone that your body produces with sunlight exposure, and it controls everything from bone strength to immunity, mood, and even how your cells function. Vitamin D is one of the most powerful regulators inside the human body, working like a hormone, activating genes, and guiding the behavior of cells. It's not just for bones. It affects immunity, the brain, metabolism, muscle strength, aging, and even cancer biology. How vitamin D works inside your body. Number 1. It activates genes in the nucleus. Once converted to its active form, 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D, it enters cell nuclei and attaches to the vitamin D receptor, VDR. Together, they act like a genetic switch, controlling 1,000 to 1,200 genes involved in immunity, inflammation, cell repair, and hormone balance. Number 2. It programs immune cells, helps T cells become killer cells, increases antimicrobial peptides like cathelicidin, reduces unnecessary inflammation. This is why low vitamin D is linked with higher infection rates and slower healing. Number 3. It directs calcium traffic. Vitamin D tells the intestines to absorb calcium, tells the kidneys to keep it, and tells the bones when to release or store it. Number 4. It affects muscle contraction. Low vitamin D causes weaker muscle fibers and a higher risk of falls and chronic fatigue. Number 5. It supports brain and mood regulation. Vitamin D receptors exist in the hippocampus, hypothalamus, and cortex, areas involved in mood, memory, and sleep. Best sources of vitamin D. Sunlight. UVB radiation from sunlight converts 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin into vitamin D3, which is then metabolized into its active hormonal form to regulate calcium, bone, and immune function. Yogurt. Yogurt is a dietary source of vitamin D, often fortified with cholecalciferol, which supports calcium absorption, bone mineralization, and immune function. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are rich in vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, which supports calcium absorption, bone mineralization, and modulates immune responses through nuclear vitamin D receptors. Egg yolks. Egg yolks provide vitamin D3 naturally, which contributes to bone health, neuromuscular function, and immune regulation at the cellular level. Dairy milks. Fortified milks are enriched with vitamin D2 or D3 to enhance calcium absorption, bone mineralization, and immune system efficiency, compensating for limited sun exposure. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency: mild deficiency, low energy, mood dips, muscle cramps, increased infections, poor sleep, hair thinning, moderate deficiency, back pain, bone discomfort, weak muscles, slower recovery from exercise, frequent colds or flu, brain fog, severe deficiency, osteomalacia, soft bone disease, stress fractures, severe muscle weakness, difficulty climbing stairs or standing, dental issues, in children, rickets. 3 major conditions caused by excessive vitamin D in the body: hypercalcemia, elevated blood calcium levels causing nausea, vomiting, weakness, and heart rhythm problems. Nephrocalcinosis, calcium deposits in the kidneys that impair renal function. Kidney stones, formation of stones due to high calcium levels from vitamin D toxicity. Recent scientific advances in vitamin D research. A 2024 meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials found that daily supplementation of vitamin D significantly reduces cancer mortality, especially when given at consistent, moderate doses rather than large, infrequent, bolus doses. Specifically, the analysis showed a 12% lower risk of cancer death in trials using daily vitamin D3,